Hi friends, so this video shows how to install plugins in Jenkins. So in your Jenkins dashboard, click on Manage Jenkins, then go down and click on Manage Plugins. Then click on Available. Then here we can search for the plugin which you want install. So here I am going to install this thin back plugin. Select it. So here we have two options. So we can install this plugin without restart, or we can do download now and install after restart. So we have two options. So some plugins will work with this option, some plugins will work only with this option. So you can try it. So here in this tutorial I am going to select this option, download now and install after restart. Then here you can see the plugin which you selected, thin backup, and is pending. Now it's installing. So here you get one more option. You can see restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. So some plugins required to restart Jenkins. So let me restart it. So I don't know this plugin required to restart Jenkins, but I'm doing it. Okay, so now you can see it's restarting Jenkins. So it will not show you the completion of restart operation, so you have to refresh. Let me click on manage plugins. So you have to log in again because it to restart your plugin, sorry, Jenkins. Okay, done. So you can confirm it. Just go to installed tab and search for backup, and you can see thin backup. You can see the uninstall option here. That means it's installed. Okay, so let me go to plugin manager. So right now I am in plugin manager. Let me go to manage Jenkins, and here down, if you go to down, you can see the thin backup plugin which you installed. You can tap on that and you can use it. So basically this plugin is for backup Jenkins jobs. So now you learned how to install a new plugin in Jenkins. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So if you want to uninstall, you can just go to manage a plugin. So I already explained it. Then go to installed tab, then search for the plugin which you want to install. If you do want to uninstall, then you can see here uninstall button. Click on that.